हमारे ट्रिप की शुरुआत हुई बैंगलोर हासन हाईवे से। इट्स अ परफेक्टली लेड आउट हाईवे एंड हैज प्लेंटी ऑफ रेस्ट स्टॉप्स ऑन द वे। वेदर आज काफ़ी क्लाउडी था एंड ऐसा लग रहा था कि किसी भी मोमेंट बारिश आ सकती है। हासन के बाद वी टुक द रोड टू बेलूर विच इज़ अ सिंगल लेन हाईवे। यहाँ से रोड साइड ग्रीनरी काफ़ी बढ़ गई एंड देखते ही देखते वी वर क्रूजिंग ऑन द कर्वी रोड्स ऑफ वेस्टर्न घाट्स। यहाँ पर रोड साइड पर जो आप ग्रीनरी देख रहे हैं, दीज आर ऑल कॉफी प्लांटेशंस एंड इफ यू लाइक कॉफी यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम हियर एट अ रिलेटिवली गुड प्राइस। थोड़े टाइम में वी वर इन द मिडल ऑफ क्लाउड्स एंड देयर वाज ऑलमोस्ट अ वाइट आउट। हमारे होम स्टे जाने के लिए वी हैड टू टेक एन ऑफ रोड फ्रॉम रानी झरी कॉफी शॉप एंड वहां से होम स्टे के अंकल केम टू एस्कॉर्ट अस इन हिज 4x4। जाने का रास्ता आपके सामने ही है कैसा था। This is Indushri Totimane Homestay, and the first thing which you are going to notice here is the cleanliness of this place. This place is squeaky clean and has amazing hosts. Under there is a common area where you can sit and relax. Also beach mein there is open space where all the water flows through and is stored underneath. It also makes up for an amazing sitting place to just chill. Bahar there are a variety of plantations done by the host, and if you have some time, these kind people will give you a tour of the homestay as well. Despite being in the middle of forest, there were no insects whatsoever inside the homestay. नेक्स्ट डे की हमारी शुरुआत हुई थिक फॉरेस्ट, बारिश, फॉग और तगड़े ऑफ रोड से। होम स्टे से अराउंड 6.5 किलोमीटर दूर है बंदाजे फॉल्स का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, विच इज ऑल्सो द फॉरेस्ट चेक पोस्ट।
Oh, this is the start of the trek. It is really foggy because it is raining. Here we have the gang.
ट्रेक स्टार्ट होते ही यू गेट अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ द वैली बिलो. अब क्लियर व्यू मिले या क्लाउडी इज अप टू योर लक.
This is a private property. We have to go this way. Looks a little steep.
Way to fort first.
Let's go.
This is the initial portion of hike, which is through a dense forest.
Alright people, little bit of steep gradient, nothing too crazy, so let's go. We have a broken tree branch over here, and the thing with the reserve forest is that they don't clear. If it has fallen and blocking the way, you make your way around it like this. Come. Oh, the sun is peeking out now. This is the source of the water that we have been seeing. Nice. And now we are in open grassland. And look at the view. Look at this view. Here's the gang, still coming slowly. So keep going. Oh, that's the fort we have to go. There, on top. Ola.
Okay, let's go.
That's the fort we are going. Let's go. That is where we are going, and the clouds are moving so fast that 1 minute you can see the path and the next you can't. So that is where we should be going. That place is hidden behind the clouds. Oh.
Dense forest.
Yeah.
We have entered dense forest and it started raining.
It's not raining.
It started.
Kind of.
So open grasslands cross करने के बाद you again enter this thick jungle, and this time the path is narrower and the forest is thicker.
We have the warriors coming in.
Second
Hi.
place go to.
टाइम क्या हो रहा है पता ही नहीं चल रहा है ना.
And
हाँ वही.
first place is Palak.
How?
Yeah.
From the back.
He cheated. He cheated.
So before going to Bandaje Falls, you have to go to this place called. What is the name of the fort? I forgot. Hey, what is the name of the fort?
Bellingarine Durga Fort.
Ah, correct. rain is getting a little hard, and we have reached a nice place to take photos. There's this place. Careful.
This is an open area where the trail splits into two. Left one takes you to the fort while the right one goes to the falls. While we were there, the weather shifted from heavy rains to almost clear sky, giving way to lush green valleys. This is one of the most spectacular spots in the trek, where you get to see the beauty of Western Ghats. Again, when we reached the fort, the entire place was engulfed in clouds and the visibility had dropped drastically. फोर्ट पर थोड़े से स्नैक ब्रेक लेने के बाद we continued our journey to Pantaje Falls.
That is the way we have to go. So it's out of the dense forest, just rolling hills. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it comes down, but beautiful view all around.
इस स्पॉट से you get to see the panoramic views of valley on one side and rolling hills right in front of you.
Suchi, how are you feeling?
Awesome.
Feeling
Feeling refreshed.
those. There are the other two guys. बोल रहा था ना, ये तो हाइक है, ये तो वॉक है.
The last portion of this trek is 1 kilometer downhill through a rocky path which can be a little strenuous. And इसके बाद finally you reach the mouth of waterfall. You can hear the sound of gushing water well before, and since it was monsoon time, water was in full flow. The valley view and the sight of water rushing down was something right out of a dreamy monsoon picture. But at the same time, it was little slippery as well. So with caution, we only went till it was safe and then we headed back.
ये प्यारी सी सीनरी के साथ हमारा बंदाजो फॉल्स का ट्रैक इज़ अ रैप। भाई मॉनसून में वेस्टर्न घाट्स के ट्रैक्स की कोई टक्कर नहीं है, मतलब देयर इज़ नो कंपैरिजन, देयर इज़ नथिंग व्हिच कम्स क्लोज टू दिस। मतलब आप पीछे देख रहे हो रोलिंग हिल्स, ग्रीन रोलिंग हिल्स। तो फॉल्स अच्छी थी, काफ़ी फ्लो था पानी का एंड पूरा टाइम बारिश होती रही। तो टिप्स एंड बिट्स में रिकॉर्डिंग हुई है, बट वट एवर इट इज़ द होल ट्रैक वीडियो अब आपने देख ही ली है। तो विद दिस द ट्रैक इज़ अ रैप। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन।